Hi, big data people. Welcome to Informatica Cloud Engineer. Real interview questions for 6 to 11 years from the company Capgemini. Job description. The job description involves 6+ years of experience with Informatica and IICS. So that is based on Cloud Informatica Cloud. And second one is having good data warehouse and ETL concept knowledge, and should be good in Power Center PC and should have strong SQL knowledge. Tell about yourself. You need to tell about yourself, your experience, your career, everything you need to explain here. Data warehouse questions. The question is explain how you design a data warehouse and how you prepare data flow diagram. Project discussions. It involves how you achieve PC to IICS migration, that is Power Center to Informatica integrated cloud migration. Second one is explain your knowledge on RPA tools. Third one is what are cloud migration accelerators. Informatica and IICS questions. So the scenarios are given. You need to answer based on the scenarios. IICS question. The scenario is your organization needs to ensure that the data is securely transferred between cloud systems and the data integration process complies with industry high specific regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA. So now the question is how would you ensure data security and compliance using IICS? IICS question scenario is you are tasked with migrating customer data from an on-premises relational database to a cloud data warehouse. The data needs to be transferred before loading into the cloud. The transformation includes data cleansing, so that is removing null values and correcting formats. Second one is aggregation, so summarizing data based on specific dimensions. Third one is joining data from multiple sources, that is on-premises and cloud-based. Now the question is, how would you use IICS to accomplish this task? SQL question, so you need to explain the following concepts and write queries for each of that one. First one is what are joins? What are the different joins available? Write all join queries. So it includes the type of joins, left join, right join, outer joins, full outer join, everything you need to explain here. Left outer and right outer. Second one is how would you achieve string manipulations in SQL? So the basic string manipulations available in SQL operations. Third one is write a good query with scenario for group by class. They are asking this one. And the last question is what is the difference between delete and drop a table? SQL scenario based question. So you have an employees table with employee ID, employee name and salary. You want to rank employees by their salary in descending order. So with the highest salary receiving rank 1, if two employees have same salary, then you should receive the same rank. So now question is write a query to rank employees based on the salary allowing ties. So this is use rank method, and the scenario is you want to identify all employees who have the highest salary in the company. If there are multiple employees with the same highest salary, all should be included. So write a query for this scenario to find employees with the highest salary. Python question. So how can Python be integrated with the Informatica IICS? And second is how would you automate IICS tasks using Python? Python scenario based question. So you have a requirement to move large amounts of data between two cloud platforms. So how would you approach this using Python and IICS? Second one is imagine you have an IICS job that intermittently fails. So how would you troubleshoot this issue using Python scripts? Shell scripting commands. So explain the Unix commands and write the full command. So cd, cp, mv, make directory, chmod, sed, grep, cut, and awk. HR interview questions. First one is how will you prioritize your works? So a lot of works given to you. So how you will prioritize all these tasks and you finish all these tasks. Second one is you notice that a key developer in a team is consistently underperforming, but they have high technical skills. How would you handle this situation? What kind of things you will make changes there and getting the right output you expected? Thanks for watching Big Data Tunnel. Be Biggie. Subscribe, like, share, and comment our channel.